Hello, today you're looking at a USF Walther Trowal centrifuge system brought to you by Lanco. Model number on this unit ZM03. Unit is in good operating condition as we take a look at the mixing tank here. Turn on the mixer. It is a 1/2 horsepower mixer wired at 480 volt. Now we'll see the mud basket spinning. And as we walk around, you can take a look in the mud basket there. And also now the control panel. If you're interested in this unit, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.